Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the H9 Pro Max smartwatch. We are done with the message notification feature for the H9 Pro Max smartwatch. On this video, we are going to focus on the Bluetooth call support of this wearable. As you can see here, we do have the call history, contacts, and dial pad. So we will test this one. Let's see if the speaker is good as well as the mic of the H9 Pro Max smartwatch. Let's listen. Let's try to call and check if the Bluetooth call works with our H9 Pro Max smartwatch. So if you are interested to buy this smartwatch but you're thinking whether this smartwatch works with the Bluetooth call or not, watch this video so that you will know. And of course, if you find this video demo useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the Bluetooth call functionality of the H9 Pro Max smartwatch. So we are already paired with the support app, the Lexus Fit. As you can see here, we are connected. We already set the phone number or the phone book. As you can see, we do have at least two numbers here. We have Sam and Cindy. If you're going to go to the dial section and tap on contacts, we have the number here. So seems like everything is set. There's no options or settings to tweak for this wearable. So seems like we are good to go for the Bluetooth call demo. Okay, so let's start and have a Bluetooth call. So let's dial the number first. Let's see if we can receive it here. Okay, I'm going to call the number and let's see if we will have or we will be able to receive a call here. As you can see, we do have a incoming call from Cindy. Okay, so you have an option to answer or deny the call and call. Okay, again, let's see if we can receive it here again. I'm dialing the number, and as you can see, we have incoming calls and call. Okay, next we have the contacts. Okay, so let's call back Cindy. Okay, we already called Sam, so let's call Cindy. Does it work? Okay, we'll be able to receive a call here if this thing works. And as you can see, we have the someone calling. It is Cindy. Okay, and call. Okay, so it works for our phone book. We have the call logs here. Seems like there's already a lot of numbers here. Okay, we did not test the phone book, but we have the contacts, we have the call logs. Let's see if this thing will work. Okay, so let's call Cindy. So what is the number? 090919 809 2094. Okay, it will dial the number Cindy, and as you can see here, it is working. Okay, and call. Okay, so the dial pad works for our H9 Pro Max smartwatch. If you notice, we don't have a volume adjustment. We also don't have a support for the quick reply or quick response, but the contacts works. You can add a number here. The phone book works. We have the call logs or the call history. Next, let's try and answer a Bluetooth call here or a call on the smartwatch. Okay, I'm going to call the number, Calling Sam, and let's see if we can hear the call here. Hello. Okay, so there's the volume adjustment. Okay, the Bluetooth call works, and you can mute the mic or not with the Bluetooth call of the H9 Pro Max. Bye. Okay, so that is so far good for our H9 Pro Max Bluetooth call feature. Okay, I stand corrected. There's a volume adjustment as well as you can mute the mic, but there's no quick reply. Again, the call history works. As you can see here, you can even tap on it. Let's see, and call the number. Okay, we have contacts, it works, and we have dial pad. It also works with the H9 Pro Max smartwatch. Again, one thing that is missing is the quick reply or quick response. The mic is just okay. The volume is just okay. The speaker is just okay. Okay, so everything works for our H9 Pro Max smartwatch Bluetooth call. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And of course, like, share, and subscribe if you find this video useful. Bye.